In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your videos 10 times better with the nesting tool and the copy and paste attributes tool in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. So we're going to transform this video clip to look in something like this.
Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it. It was just kind of a waste of time.
To something like this.
Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it. It was just kind of a waste of time.
Okay, so once you have your video clip, keep in mind that a video that is a podcast or a video that's a still tripod and that is not moving has a better chance of this turning out and being better than not. But keep in mind, you can use all of these things I'm about to teach you and show you in this video to make possible for your YouTube videos or content creation skills so much better online. So in this case, I have a video clip of Mr. Beast and he's being interviewed. So basically, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna nest this video clip, and the video clip is right here. So you highlight it and then you click N on your keyboard to nest, and then to nest it, and it will turn green like that. Okay, so this is our typical video. As you can see, as far as like this, the video is just playing. Nothing really crazy is happening. But if you want to get the person's reaction while Mr. Beast is talking, or let's say you have an opportunity to zoom in on Mr. Beast or on your subject and then the interviewee and then the interview at the same time. So this is how we're going to do that. Click on your video clip, make sure that video 1 is selected right here and that it's highlighted by clicking on it, and then click on the video clip and hold down Alt and then move the video clip up. So we just duplicated the layer. Step number 2 is when you click Effects Control, video 2 or the track is selected, click Motion, and then we're going to zoom in, click on the motion, and then we're going to zoom in on Mr. Beast. And then we're going to nest this one more time. So click, and then click Nest, Enter, and then we'll do the same exact thing to this video clip right here. But for this, I'm going to uncheck Mark so that we can see it. And then if we really want, we can do the same thing for this clip. If it's accidentally clicks and it double clicks like this, it just opened up the nested sequence. You can click the X or you can go back to your sequence. Okay, so we'll do the exact same thing. We'll click on this nested sequence, nest, and then click enter, and then it's nested. So now we have 2 clips like that. Okay, so this is where the cool part comes in. We go into here, effects, and then type in crop. Under transform, drag crop right here, and then under effects control, we can move this, unchecked the eye icon, but under effects control, we can move this like that to the left, and then move it to the right. And this is what we have. When you click motion, effects control, click it, hold down shift so it doesn't move. I'm moving this to the right, and then we can copy the same exact thing. This is where copying and pasting attributes come into handy. So we can take this, I'm highlighting this where we added our crop feature, Control C, then I'm going to paste the attributes by clicking the shortcut, which is paste attributes. If you do not see it, you can right click and then paste attributes. But if you want the shortcut, then go under to edit, keyboard shortcuts, this will open up, and then right here, type in paste attributes. And then right here, click on right here and type in the shortcut. In this case, I have D to paste and F to copy, or should I say you can type in copy. So this is the shortcut for both of them, paste and then remove attributes, D and then F. So highlight, copy, click on this, and I'm clicking D to paste the attributes because we want to paste the attributes, and then click OK. And then see now how this video clip went over to there, but that's fine. You click motion and you can drag it to the right, as you can see, and this is what we have. So this is the before.
Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it.
And this is the after clip.
Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it. It was just kind of a waste of time. Like, those are more of the things going in my head. Like, what will the future be? How do I build towards that? And school was never really a part of it. It was just kind of.
Thanks for watching this free Adobe Premiere Pro CC tutorial. If you want to see more free video editing tutorials, drop this video a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.